Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. Today we are making kheer, very quick and easy, and for that we're gonna need some rice which I have already washed and it was soaking in the water. It's been about 15 minutes. We also need milk. We need condensed milk. I'm having 2 cans over here. I may need like 1.5. It depends. It's really depend. Few cardamom pods. We need some coconut powder or shredded coconut, and then for garnishing I'm using some almond. It's sliced almond. Now you can add chopped almond to your kheer, to your rice pudding, but I personally like my kheer to be creamy. So when I'm biting, I don't bite in any chunk or any nuts. This is how I like it. But if you do like almond, you can just add some chopped almond, about half cup for 2 cups of rice would be enough. Now I'm using a long grain rice. You can use any rice you have on hand that is going to cook very quick and easy, and easy to mash the rice after cooking. So my water is boiling, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this rice to boil. And I also have some few cardamom pods into the water. No sugar, no salt, nothing, just water and whole cardamom pods. And then once the water boils, I'm gonna boil the rice until very softened or very like overcooked. I will show you once we get there. Okay guys, I have already drained the rice. Now you guys can see, if you come close, the rice is like mashed. You can just use your spoon and keep mashing them into creamy, or you can use a potato masher and then keep mashing the rice just like so. Okay, and now I'm gonna add my milk. And now I'm gonna add my condensed milk. I'm just gonna add 1 can for now, and the heat is on low. Kheer turns to burn very quickly because of milk, so leave the heat on low, and then time to time just keep stirring it and make sure that it doesn't touch in the bottom. I'm gonna add the 2nd can of condensed milk. My kheer is cooking. It's been 20 minutes already, and now you guys can see it's getting thicker. Add your coconut. Now the coconut is depend on you. You can add it, you can just leave it, depending if you like coconut or no. I like a little bit of the taste in the kheer. Sometimes I add, sometimes I'm just leave it. Now all the way we are going to cook this kheer on low heat until the kheer will become a little bit thicker than what it is like what it is right now. You can see. So we're gonna leave this on low heat until thicker. I will show you how it's gonna be when we get there. Okay guys, my kheer was cooking over low heat for 45 minutes. Keep stirring it, don't leave it. It's gonna catch the brown color in the bottom, which you don't want. And I will suggest you to use a heavy bottom pan, and also do not wait for the kheer to get too thick to remove it from the heat. I just want to show you the consistency. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna leave it just like that, because as more you're gonna leave the kheer as is on your table, on your heat, on the stove, it's gonna get thicker and thicker, because usually rice does get thicker, and rice and milk together, it will get more thicker and then at the time when you want to warm it the next day to eat, you have to add a little bit of milk and just warm it and then eat. And the sliced almond is just for garnishing, and anytime you're serving, like on a serving bowl, you can just garnish just a little bit of the sliced almond on top of your kheer. The written ingredient is in the description box down below, and I also want to mention that we already starting to translate all the ingredients down below, English and French as well. For those who does not understand English, then now there is no more complaint. It's all down in the description box in English and in French. Hope you're gonna enjoy all of that, all of the video now. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Try the kheer. It is so easy, so quick, and so delicious. Your guests gonna love it. Don't forget to give this video a like if you did like it. I will see you next time. Bye.